All right, guys, I'm going to walk you through all the steps to be able to send your bells to Ethereum. Here we go. So if we're on the televault.xyz page, you're going to click Connect Wallet. And this is going to be the wallet that holds your vaults. Then you're going to click Get Vaults. And if no vaults pop up, that means you don't have any. So what you're going to do is you're going to click Create Vault. And this will take you to the Emblem Vision page. Okay. Now here, what you're going to do is you're going to click Protocol and scroll down. And from this drop-down arrow, you're going to click Bells. And then you're going to click Create Vault. And this takes a little bit, takes about 30 seconds to load. Now, once it's loaded here, you're going to scroll down to where it says Deposit Address right here and click on the Bell button. All right, this is where you're going to actually send your bells to, okay? So you're going to copy the address here and then head on over to your wallet. I'm heading over to my Nintendo wallet. And I'm going to send to that address the amount I want to send. And now it's very important that this amount be a whole number. So 100, 200, 225, but not like 100.5. or 200.5 or something like that. So I'm going to send over, let's say 200. And I'm going to select fast. And definitely do not click this button because I don't want to include the fee in the amount because I want this number to be a whole number. And I'm going to click continue. Now here, I'm just going to double check the wallet address here against the address that I've pasted up here. Looks good. And I'm going to click confirm. And boom, you can see it popped up right down here. Bellscoin is a fast blockchain, so that happened very quickly. Now I'm going to come up here and click mint. All right, this actually mints the vault. So my MetaMask pops up a signature request first. I'm going to confirm that. And now I'm going to get a gas transaction. So it's going to be about $20 for the Emblem Vault fees and then gas. So it's kind of high gas right now. I'm getting screwed a little bit here. This might be slightly different for you. So I'm going to pay about $50 in total fees with gas. Gas is really expensive right now. So you can wait till gas comes down. But if this number is crazy in any way, so if this is like $1,000 or something like that, obviously reject the transaction. You've done something wrong, start over again. But you know, anywhere from $25 to $50 is about right. So I'm going to go ahead and confirm that. All right, my transaction is complete. So I'm going to X out of these and then go to my vaults. And this is the one I just created. There's the 200 bell. Now I can head back to the Televault page. Make sure my wallet's connected, top right-hand corner. I'm actually going to refresh the page. Connect my wallet again, and then click Get Vaults. And there's the one I just created, 200 Bell. I'm going to click on it and click Select Vault. Now, once I do that, it's going to populate this page, and I'm going to click this Create Attestation button here. Don't ask me what that means. I have no idea. But it's going to give me a signature request. I'm going to confirm that. Once I do that, it's populated these fields down here. And now I can go down and click Request Appraisal. And you can see that populates some data there. And now I come down and click Bridge Bellscoin. Now, again, I'm getting crushed by gas right now, but this is going to be about $70. If it's anything like crazy, again, guys, $1,000, $500, that means something's gone wrong. Maybe you've selected the wrong vault. Go back, make sure you've selected the correct vault. But this is okay for me, and I'm going to click Confirm and confirm the transaction. And boom, it's done. Now click Add Token to Wallet and confirm that, and that'll add the V-Bells into your MetaMask. Now I'm going to give you the backup to this in case you missed that button right there. Just a simple way to add it natively. This is kind of the old school way of adding the tokens to your MetaMask wallet. What you're doing here, you're not actually adding the tokens. The tokens are already there, but you need your MetaMask to be able to see the tokens or recognize that they're in your wallet. So you're going to open your MetaMask, click on the token tab, and then click import tokens, click custom token, and then paste in the contract address. I'll put this down below so you'll get to just copy paste this, and you'll see the token symbol of VBells will pop up, and then just click next. It'll show the VBells there, and then click import. Again, this doesn't put them in your wallet. They're already there. This just enables MetaMask to be able to know that they're there, basically see them. And you can see my VBells are now there. The 200 that I just added, plus some ones that I had before. So that's how you add it to your MetaMask, and you should be good to go. All right, thanks, guys.